Warren Buffett once said the best investment you can make is in yourself, and that's not just an advice, it's a strategy that completely transformed my life. Today's video, I'm sharing the 5 investments that doubled my income. These aren't magic tricks or shortcuts, they are smart, deliberate moves that anyone can make to build the wealth over the time. So grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's dive into the life changing strategies that can make your financial game to the next level. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, I'm Mallika Jain, an MBA turned creatorpreneur, and my goal is to help you make smarter financial decisions that pave the way for the life you want. So today we are diving into 5 investments that have significantly boosted my income. My first and probably most impactful investment I made was in myself, specifically in skills and financial literacy. We often think investing in terms of stocks or real estate, but building your own skill set is just like having that secret weapon. It's about understanding how your money works, how to earn it, grow it, and make it last. This is exactly what changed the game for me. So when I decided to invest in my own financial education, it was just like unlocking a new level. I took courses, earned certification, and absorbed everything I could about personal finance and investing as fast as I can. I also took an MBA just to help myself. It wasn't just about gaining the knowledge, it was about rewiring your brain and how I view the money. And suddenly I was spotting opportunities I never saw before, negotiating with the confidence, and making decisions that set me up for the long term success. According to the Global Financial Literacy Excellence Center, people who are financially literate can have up to 16% higher net worth and than those who aren't. So that's the power of knowing how money works. The second investment that really shifted my financial landscape was real estate. Now I'm not talking about fancy properties or flipping houses like on TV. I started really small with a single rental property, and my goal was very clear: create a passive income stream that grows with time. Here's why that first step into real estate was such a turning point. Owning a rental property taught me the power of having money working for you, even when you're actually working. My monthly rental income paid off the mortgage, and extra cash flow was reinvesting, snowballing over the time. And according to Forbes, real estate investment can yield returns at 8 to 12% annually, depending on the market, and making it a really powerful tool for long-term wealth building. And for Canadian investor, real estate offers excellent passive income opportunities, especially in markets beyond high-cost cities like Toronto or Vancouver. Look into growing regions like Calgary or Halifax, where the entry costs are lower, but the rental demand is very strong. So if managing properties feels really daunting, consider REITs, which is Real Estate Investment Trust, on the Toronto Stock Exchange, which is TSX, which helps you invest in real estate without owning a physical property. And REITs offers a way to gain exposure to real estate with lower capital and less hassle, perfect for those who are just getting started. So whether it's small apartment or a vacation rental, the key is to diversifying your income so you're not solely dependent on your 9 to 5. It's all about creating a safety net that supports you through market ups and downs, and even if in the job loss scenario. Next up is dividend stocks, a cornerstone for my investment strategy. I know the stock market can feel really intimidating, but dividend stocks make it simpler. Imagine getting paid just for holding on to your investment. It's just like receiving a little bonus every quarter. So why are dividend stocks such a smart choice? Dividend stocks pay out part of the company's profit, and when you reinvest those dividends, you get to watch your returns compound over the time. It's just like a snowball effect where small consistent gains build into substantial weight. Companies like Coca-Cola and Johnson & Johnson have been paying dividends for decades, proving their stability. And Fidelity research shows that dividend stocks typically outperform non-dividend stocks, particularly during market downturns, proving both growth and stability. For Canadians, the dividend tax credit make investing in dividend stock even more appealing by providing tax advantages on the eligible Canadian dividends. Look into Canadian dividend aristocrats like RBC, which is Royal Bank of Canada, or Fortis Inc., which is known for their consistent dividend increases. Using platforms like Wealthsimple Trade or Questrade, you can set up a dividend reinvestment plan, which is DRIP, to automatically reinvest in your dividends, compounding your gains over time without extra effort. It's a great way to rebuild a reliable income stream that grows on autopilot. So by reinvesting my dividends, I created a stream of incomes that kept growing almost like a side hustle without the added effort. And the best part, you don't need a lot of money to start. Small regular investment can make a big impact over the time. One of the most exciting investment I've made is in my own personal brand and my online business. This was just more than just creating content. It was about building something that connected me with all the people across the world and open up the new income streams. Basically, my passion is out in the world. So let's dive into why investing in your personal brand can be so powerful. Through platforms like YouTube, blogging, and social media, I found my ways to monetize my knowledge that I hadn't even thought of before, like digital products, consulting, and affiliate marketing. Platforms like Shopify make it so easier than ever to build an online business. According to Influencer Marketing Hub, content creators can earn between $1,000 to $10,000 per month, and depending on their niche and audience sizes. So building a personal brand is just like planting seeds seeds that grow into multiple streams of income. It's just like spreading seeds that require a lot of effort initially, but eventually turns out into multiple sources of income. It's about creating something that has lasting value and can scale beyond our initial effort. Finally, let's talk about index funds and ETFs. My favorite way to invest in stock market without the stress of picking individual stocks. Imagine owning a piece of in the entire market and spreading your risk. That's what index funds and ETFs do. Here's why these investments are the staple in my portfolio. Index funds track specific market indices like the S&P 500, giving you exposure to a broad range of companies with one investment. Historically, these funds have earned 7 to 10% annually, outperforming most actively managed funds thanks to their low fees and diversification. Canadians have excellent options like Vanguard S&P ETFs or iShares Core S&P or Capped Composite Index ETF, which provide exposure to US and Canadian markets. So holding a US index fund in a TFSA or RRSP can help you avoid withholding tax on dividends, maximizing your returns. And platforms like Wealthsimple, Questrade, and TD Direct Investing makes these funds accessible with low fees. See, index funds are very good. They offer simplicity, reliability, and steady growth, making them a cornerstone of my strategy. They allow me to grow my wealth steadily without the need to constantly monitor the market, freeing up my time to focus on the other priorities. And there you have it, the five investments that double my income and change my financial future. And these strategies aren't about chasing the next big thing, they're about making smart, thoughtful choices that align with your long term goals. So, from investing in myself to creating passive income stream, these approaches have made a huge difference in my life. And I'm confident they work for you too. Thanks so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments what's the best investment you have made. So, let's keep this conversation ongoing and see you in the next video.